Hey guys, I'm showing you this fillable plastic umbrella base. So this is a stand to put in your umbrella outdoor, and this is a can be used for a water table patio umbrella bases. This is a weighted outdoor patio market, and then for the heavy duty umbrella stands. So you can use it near to your lawn, garden, pool, or anywhere you want. So I can show you. So this is the umbrella holder, and this part will go inside and you can put any umbrella here. So this is good for all kinds of cross styles, the high density plastic, and this is the manual that shows how you can fix it. So this is a weather resistance HDPE plastic, and is easy to assemble. So I will show you the assembly. Here you can put either the sand or the water, so that you can make this base heavy and it will not go with the wind or any other storm. So this base of the umbrella will go down there, and this is the plate that comes with it, which will hold it well. So Allen key and everything is provided so that you can do with the screw. So see, like, the fixing is really easy. And here you can just put in the umbrella stand. So put in the umbrella and put in the sand or the water, whatever you want to put in, and then just set it up. So weather resistant thing, so there is no issue while putting it outside. Enjoy.